Welcome to this enabling a conducive environment for e-commerce. Channel integration is often considered to be a safe approach and strategy for corporations. Many corporations such as banks would have a branch network as well as an internet network as well as mobile offerings. This is often termed as Omnichannel, and these channel strategies work best for organizations that can offer a wide variety of avenues for their customers to purchase their products. For example, if you are in the medical industry, you cannot only have patients come and see you, but you can also do telehealth or provide consulting through these mobile phone channels. This is an example of multi-channel integration and offering to your customers. Identify the different channels that your technology and your products can offer, and identify how you will provide these services that your organizations provide to the customers through these channels. How will Omnichannel work? Essentially, you will provide a range of products and identify which customer and which segment of the market will purchase through which channel. So for example, if you have a bricks and mortar capability and a mobile and internet capability, identify which customers will go to which method to obtain your products and services. Your brand will sometimes determine who you appeal to the most, and hence it is important that you understand this capability. At the same time, you need to ensure that you've got the technology to support this only channel. It would be unwise to target a consumer segment for your product for which you do not have the capability for all the channels to service that particular consumer base. Be sure that you understand who your customers are or your shoppers and whether there would be a retail component to it, and at the same time understand which brands will be sold to whom and what technology innovations you need to bring to market to service these customers. Take a look at the various examples that we have given you here so that you can gain an understanding of how other organizations have done this in the past. Digital architecture and processes will need to be developed by your organization so that you can take full advantage of digital and emerging technologies. In this diagram, you can see the coming together of e-commerce analytics, social media, stores, common location analytics, and a range of different digital technologies as well. At the same time, you will need to think about cybersecurity and analytics architectures as well as application service architecture. You will also need business analytics and business intelligence to understand exactly who is buying your product and what you are buying. This will give you intelligence about the business, the products, and your consumers and what their buying needs are. It is also important to understand how you position your omni-channel positioning, your brand positioning, and how you market your business in a way that appeals to your customer base. For this, you need to clearly articulate and understand who your customer base is and how you intend to apply the different technologies available to you. Design your overall digital architecture. Once you understand the channels and the customers and the future technologies that are coming up for your business, you will then need to explore the digital architecture, support this future environment, develop your overall e-commerce architecture, and design the overall technology stack that would meet your future needs. You will need to do this so that your digital technology architecture is not only scalable, but also affordable and easy to put together. You will also need to be aware about existing infrastructure and its ability to connect with the future technology. You need to make your existing technology future-proof, but also scalable to take on the new technologies. Otherwise, you will end up purchasing new technology and infrastructure that does not communicate with the existing technology. In summary, in this module, we have looked at the overview of Internet in business, many of the processes and background to conducting, and the future digital architectures and final technologies that you may consider for your e-commerce business. While this module is giving you a small glimpse of the emerging technologies, I would highly recommend that you continue to research further additional technologies that may be suitable for your particular business and your particular case study. We provide further information You may wish to extend your knowledge also by viewing and reviewing these local articles on the future of e-commerce that we have provided you. I would highly encourage you to review these additional information that we have given you in the following slides.